guys, what animal is that? It's like a dog. As you can see, wow, what is that? What animal is that? See, see? Boom! He jumped in the water. Now it's gone. The tugboat is there. Pupunta yung mga lineman dito to remove the lines. See? Hihintay sila. Hihintay namin tong tugboat.